Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Monday morning. We are now going to run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot also completely for free. Just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, the link that is connected with this broker right now give you 50% on your first deposit, but your deposit need to be more than $100 is your first deposit, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Now, let's start up this robot. Let's see here. And yesterday they take quite a long time. I think we used like 11 minutes or so to get a trade. And many people are writing to me about that, it taking too long time. The reason for that is we only take the best trades. Yes, of course you can change the settings, you get trades all the time, but then you're losing the point. The point with this robot is that it's supposed to be good, that you want only the best trades. And even with the settings we have now, we can get a few losers in a row. It's possible. So I've said, and I will say again, you can just tweak it just a little, tweak just on the RSI settings from the settings you get from me. And you can even run this robot without martingale if that's what you want. I do martingale because I have a big enough amount to do that. As you can see, I have 22,311, but if you have a smaller amount, you can just change it a little. So now, here you see it, first trade in. We will go for $100 in this video also. Let's see how this trade go. And here you see once again, look this beautiful entry you have in the top there. It's just beautiful, and you can see that it's exactly on this resistant. Yes, can break it, of course, but the entry is amazing. That's what you're looking for. Win or lose, the entry is good. Okay, so if we lose this now, actually we have two trades in. That means, and you see it's equal type of trades because both is in for euro. Now what we'll want to do, we just go to the robot and we change to 1. Just because we are not going to take more trades when we close these two trades, okay? So now we are not just going to follow this one for now, because this one will be the one that maybe close the first. And then we will follow the another one after, okay? So now we got the entry here. And now let's see, we can now follow the another one here. Let's see how that one is doing. Probably, maybe we'll lose that one also, who knows, let's see. We have 15 seconds left, let's follow this one and then we jump over to the another one after. So currently this one is running in profit, so it looks like we win this trade here. Let's see, come on. And we won, perfect. Then we jump over to this one here. Here you see we got a new entry here, and we are currently in the top of this spike we see here. So if you can get a new trade opening in the spike, that could be amazing. But that will only be when we are closing the bar. There can also be that we win this trade, let's see. If we win, we will stop. So let's open the robot. It looks like we're winning, so we stop. And then we are done. That's how fast we make money. So now I will calculate how much money we made from these trades. We started with 22,311 and we now made 22,420. So we made a profit of $109. Now we can go over here and look at the trades we just did. Then what we do, we choose for today only and we apply. Like I said before, the information here might take a little while. And let's remove the robot so you can see better. So here can take a little while. It typically takes around 2 minutes and the stats come here. But already you can see it's 3 trades, so basically we have a good win trade, we can say like that. So if you had run without martingale, you would have lost the first, okay? Then you won the another one. So basically it's there you would have a 50% win rate. But if you change the RSI a little, we would have got an entry a little higher and then we would have won. Understand? You see a difference because you remember he did go a little higher up. That means the RSI would have gone a little higher up, and that means you would have got a little better entry on this euro against the Switzerland, this CHF. So if you had a better RSI setting there, you would have got a little higher entry and you would probably have won that trade. So that's the difference. So yes, you can do these tweaks so you can run without martingale. Just to pay attention to that. And now let's see if the stats is coming in. Let's push apply and let's see. Yes, there they are. There now you can see everything. There you can see we have 3 trades. We have 67% win rate. We have a profit, like I said, of $109. So pretty amazing. If you want to run this robot also, you can download with the link you see up here right now. Just push this robot thing you see here, or you can just use the link you find below the video. I hope you have an amazing Monday, and I hope also that you will make a lot of profit with this robot. And tell me in the comments how you're doing. And if you're losing money, be aware that I run with this setting for my balance, so you can run without martingale. Just tweak a little till you find something that works for your balance, okay? I am not able to make a robot that can fit any balance because I would like to use martingale because I have balance for it. I show what I'm doing, but you can do the tweaks for yourself. I am planning maybe to make another type of robot later for smaller account, but it's not something that is interesting for me right now, but I'm thinking about it. And I will think out a good way to do that. But that might be a long time from now. So for now you can tweak it yourself, okay? But yes, I will say again, because probably the last time I said to push this robot, the robot is not there because only the last 20 seconds of the video. So push this robot here now and you can download or use the link below the video. So that, have an amazing day.